In this video, we are going to review how to fix Gigabyte Control Center not working, 2025 update. This should work. Short answer. If Gigabyte Control Center not working is the problem, start with a reboot. Run it as admin, update Windows/drivers, install the latest .NET and Visual C++ redistributables, clean reinstall GCC, and disable conflicting RGB/system utilities. If you've enabled Windows core isolation greater than memory integrity, try turning it off temporarily to test. Most Gigabyte Control Center not working cases are fixed by one of these steps. At a glance, for quick answers: 1. Quick reset and admin launch. Restart the PC, then right-click Gigabyte Control Center greater than run as administrator. If it's already open but invisible, open Task Manager and end any GCC-related processes, then relaunch. 2. Update Windows and drivers. Install pending Windows updates. Update chipset drivers first. They govern hardware communications. Update GPU drivers, NVIDIA/AMD/Intel. If your motherboard/laptop vendor provides device utilities, audio/RGB/controller, update those too. Many Gigabyte Control Center not working cases are just driver/OS mismatches. Windows Update 3. Install Microsoft.NET and Visual C++. Install the latest .NET runtime. Install current Visual C++ redistributables, both x64 and x86 if applicable. Reboot. Missing runtimes are a common reason for Gigabyte Control Center not working. 4. Clean reinstall GCC the right way. Uninstall Gigabyte Control Center, reboot, delete leftover folders. App data greater than local, greater than Gigabyte, greater than GCC, if present. Program files/program files x86 greater than gigabyte, only if you're sure nothing else depends on it. Reboot again. Download the latest GCC for your exact model from the official support page. Install and run as administrator. Clean reinstalls solve most stubborn Gigabyte Control Center not working behavior. Gigabyte Control Center not working 5. Remove conflicts. This matters. Uninstall other control suites, RGB/fan/OC, e.g., MSI Center, Armory Crate, IQE, ASRock Polychrome, AuraSync, etc. Disable third-party overlays. Some monitoring/OSD tools can hook devices. Reboot and test. Competing apps are a top cause of Gigabyte Control Center not working. 6. Test security features and compatibility. Temporarily disable core isolation greater than memory integrity, Windows security greater than device security, greater than core isolation details. Reboot and test GCC. If it works now, you've found the blocker. Decide whether to keep this change or seek a driver firmware update that restores compatibility. If GCC still won't launch, try compatibility mode, Windows 10, for the executable. 7. Firmware and BIOS updates, if supported. Check your motherboard laptop support page for a BIOS or EC update, and follow vendor instructions carefully. Firmware mismatches can cause detection failures that look like Gigabyte Control Center not working. BIOS Update 8. Last checks. Try another Windows user account. Rules out profile corruption. Create a system restore point, then test after each major change. If nothing works, capture logs/screens and contact official support for model-specific steps.